Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the main battery on a Tesla Model 3. It is crucial to understand that this is not a do-it-yourself task due to the high voltage and significant weight involved. Only trained and certified Tesla service professionals should perform this intricate procedure. They possess the necessary specialized equipment and expertise to ensure safety and proper functionality, protecting both the vehicle and personnel from potential harm. The process begins with technicians meticulously disabling the high-voltage system to prevent any electrical hazards. Following this critical safety step, the vehicle is carefully raised on a lift, providing access to the battery pack located beneath the car. Many surrounding components, including cooling lines and electrical connections, are then precisely disconnected. Finally, the massive battery pack, weighing approximately 1,000 pounds, is safely lowered from the vehicle using specialized hydraulic lifts designed for this purpose. Safety is paramount throughout this entire operation, as the high-voltage system poses a severe risk of electrical shock. The battery pack itself is incredibly heavy, weighing close to 1,000 pounds, necessitating robust lifting equipment. Technicians also utilize specialized diagnostic software to properly integrate the new battery with the vehicle's systems. Every connection and fastener must be reassembled to precise torque specifications, ensuring the structural integrity and safety of the vehicle after service. Tesla's main batteries are engineered for exceptional longevity, often lasting for many hundreds of thousands of miles under normal driving conditions. Replacement is usually only necessary in cases of severe damage, such as from an accident, or if there is significant, irreversible degradation over a very long period. The cost for a new main battery pack can be substantial, typically ranging in the tens of thousands of dollars. Exploring certified pre-owned options might offer a more economical solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.